Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Amazon S3 data using AWS Backup, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the AWS Backup service. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top and type AWS Backup. On the AWS Backup dashboard, click on the Backup Plans option from the left sidebar. Next, select Create Backup Plan to set up a new backup plan. You will be prompted with options to either start from scratch or use an existing plan. For this guide, choose Build a New Plan. Enter a name for your backup plan. You can also add an optional description to help identify the purpose of the plan. Select a backup rule by clicking on Add Backup Rule. In the backup rule settings, enter a name for the rule. Define the frequency at which you want the backup to occur, such as daily or weekly. Specify the backup window to set the time frame during which backups will run. Next, decide on the retention period for your backups. This determines how long AWS will keep your backup copies. Moving on, scroll down to the section titled Backup Vault. Choose an existing backup vault or create a new one for storing your backups. Once you have configured all the settings, click on Create Backup Plan. Your backup plan will now be listed on the AWS Backup dashboard. Next, click on Backup Resources from the left sidebar. Select Assign Resources to associate resources with your backup plan. Choose the resource type as S3 bucket. Then, select the specific S3 buckets you wish to backup. After selecting the buckets, review your selections. Once you are satisfied, click on Assign Resources. Your S3 buckets will now be linked to the backup plan you created. To verify, check the backup plan summary to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can monitor your backup status on the Jobs tab. This will show you any ongoing or completed backup jobs. Finally, familiarize yourself with the restore process in case you need to retrieve your data. You can easily do this by going to the Protected Resources section. Here, you can select the backup and initiate a restore when needed. With these steps, your Amazon S3 data is now backed up using AWS Backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.